5 to 10. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. This test is performed between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties for stations KHB29 and WXM93, Berkeley, Charleston, Clarendon, Dorchester, Georgetown, Orangeburg, and Williamsburg. For station WXJ23, Allendale, Bamberg, Beaufort, Colleton, Hampton, and Jasper. For station KEC85 in South Carolina, Beaufort, and Jasper. In Georgia, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Liberty, and Scranton. This concludes the Radio Weekly test conducted by the National Weather Service in Charleston, South Carolina.